he addresses Apple here. We are gathered here this afternoon to witness a momentous event in their lives. Let us thank God for bringing them together in love, and let us pray to Him that He may bless their life together in this occasion and stand by their side in their every need. Let us pray for Jonathan and Apple so that they may freely and lovingly take upon themselves the task God has entrusted to them to live for and love each other. The two of you please rise for the commencement of this ceremony. May we also request the parents and the sponsors to please stand and be witnesses to the ceremony. Pwede na kayong excuse. Excuse na po kayo. Dearly beloved Jonathan and Apple, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before these witnesses. May God pour His abundant blessing on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the marriage state and also your responsibilities to your children. May I ask of you, dear parents, sponsors, relatives, and friends of Jonathan and Apple who are present here to join them in their prayers, and they may, with courage and confidence in God's unfailing grace and love, make the pledge of love and fidelity to one another today, the day which the Lord has made for them. May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Apple, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I did.
And you, Jonathan, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Opo.
Sabik mag-Tagalog. Are you both ready to raise your children with love for God and bring them up according to our laws?
Opo.
Apple, do you take Jonathan to be your lawful wedded husband?
Opo.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Opo.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Opo.
And you, Jonathan, do you take Apple to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
The two of you may now utter your vow to each other. Repeat after me.
It is my intention
To be your best friend.
to be your best friend,
Respect and support you.
to respect and support you,
To be patient with you.
to be patient with you,
Work together with you.
to walk together with you,
To achieve those things
to achieve those things
that are important to us.
that is important to us,
To accept you unconditionally.
to accept you unconditionally,
To share life with you.
and to share life with you throughout the years.
With all my heart,
With all my heart,
take you to be my wife.
I take you to be my wife.
I will love you
I will love you
through the good and the bad,
through the good and the bad,
through the joy and the sorrow.
through the joy and the sorrow.
I will try to be understanding
I will try to be understanding
and to trust in you completely.
and to trust in you completely.
I will make you a part of me,
I will make you a part of me,
and in turn
and in return,
become a part of you.
become a part of you.
Together,
Together,
we will face
we will face
all life's experiences,
all life's experiences
share each other's dreams and goals.
and share each other's dreams and goals.
We will be equal partners
We will be equal partners
and open
in an open,
this relationship.
honest relationship through all the years.
Is by the authority vested in me, harap na kayo sa akin, by our existing law, witnessed by your sponsors, family, relatives, and friends, I have the pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Jonathan, you may now kiss and embrace your wife. Do you have your wedding rings? We'll now proceed with the ring ceremony. Give each other the rings and say your promise. Ma'am na kaya. Left. I give you this ring as a sign of my love, commitment and fidelity. Fidelity. It's your turn. I give you this ring as a sign of my love, commitment and fidelity. Okay. Before all these persons present, witnessing the sacred union, I have the honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan Kapinpin. Let us welcome them and express our love and support by giving them a warm round of applause. Thank you. Please be seated. Tapos na. That is how short a civil wedding is. Alam nyo, nakauso kayo ng kasal. Ang usong kasal dito sa Cabanatuan, kung saan yung reception, doon na yung kasalan. Kaninang umaga, nagkasal ko sa Bitas, sa bahay ng lalaki. Isang garahe siya, pero inayos, maganda, marami rin lamesa. So, kung saan yung kainan, yung reception, doon na rin yung kasalan. So, marami siguro nagpapakasal sa akin, madali akong yayain. Basta dito lang sa Cabanatuan. Pag gusto nila ng maganda-gandang lugar, ayun nga, dito sa